In this video, I will guide you how to add Solana network to Coinbase Wallet. Launch the Coinbase Wallet app on your device. Tap the profile icon located in the bottom right-hand corner. On your profile page, tap the copy icon at the top right corner. Then tap on Other Assets. You will see Solana is already added by default. Copy the Solana wallet address shown here. You can now use this address to deposit Solana or Solana-based tokens into your Coinbase wallet. When attempting to buy or interact with tokens, Coinbase wallet may default to Ethereum or Base networks. Tap on Network Selector and choose Solana from the list. This ensures your transactions are processed on the correct network. Now, tap the gear icon in the top right corner, select Networks, scroll to find Solana. If you don't see it, use the search bar. If it's still not visible, tap the plus icon, manually enter the Solana network details, and tap Add Network. And that's it. Now you have added and configured the Solana network on your Coinbase wallet. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.